This is our mapping itinerary project, and we chose to go to Sydney, Australia for our virtual study abroad trip. And the first thing we'll be doing is going to the Charlotte Douglas International Airport at 8 a.m. And then from there, we will be traveling to Hilton, Sydney. Uh, and then we'll have breakfast orientation at 9 a.m. And from there, we will go to the Sydney Tower Eye from 10:30 to 11:30 in the morning. After that, we will visit One Central Park from 12 o'clock to 4 o'clock p.m. And from there, we will have a business professional dinner attire at Restaurant Hubert. After there, the next day, we'll follow up and go back to the hotel, obviously, and then breakfast and debrief there. And the first event of that day will be visiting the Sydney Harbor Bridge from 10:30 to 12 o'clock. And leaving from there, we'll go to lunch again at a restaurant Aria at 12:30. And then after that, we will go to the Taronga Zoo from 2 to 5 p.m.
And then from there, from the zoo, we will go to the Bentley restaurant for a business professional attire dinner at 6 p.m. And then after that, we'll head back to the hotel, to Hilton Sydney. And then after that, for the next day, we'll wake up and have a breakfast and debrief at 9 a.m. and then attend the Global Info Technologies Trade Show from 10:30 to 12:30. And then from the trade show, we'll go to lunch, which is casual attire, from 1 to 2:30. And then next, we'll go from the lunch to the train station to do whatever they please. And then from the train station, we'll go to the Tech SPO convention. And then from the Tech SPO convention, we will go to the Quay restaurant at 9 p.m. for a business professional attire dinner. And then from Quay, we will go to RegTech to tour and have a lunch from 11 to 6 p.m. And then from RegTech, we will go to the Kingsley restaurant, which would be another business professional attire dinner. And it's actually an Australian steakhouse at 8 p.m. And then from Kingsley, we will head back to our hotel to rest for the night. And then oh, go ahead.
On the next day, we're going to wake up and go to the Australian Museum from 10:30 to 1 p.m. After we visit the museum, we'll have a casual attire lunch at Visio Cafe from 1:30 to 3 p.m. After that, students will have a free evening to do whatever they want. So we'll return to the hotel after the Visio Cafe. And then we will probably get an early night's sleep. And then the next morning, we depart from our hotel to the Sydney airport at 8 a.m. And then finally, the Sydney airport will take us to Charlotte Douglas, North Carolina, which will then take us back to Boone, North Carolina. And that is the end of our trip to Australia.